Om Namaha Shivaya. They are seeing extremely unbelievable collection sequences from Indian Ocean. You can see very clear appearance of Lord Shiva. Okay? Yeah, you can see clear appearance of Lord Shiva with third eye, with sparkling third eye. Yes, sparkling third eye. Unbelievable collection from the Indian Ocean. And same you can also see Lord Ganesh. You can see double Lord Ganesh. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So you can see double Lord Ganesh. Here Lord Ganesh, here Lord Ganesh. An unbelievable image of Lord Shiva with sparkling third eye. And back side you can also see the tilak of Lord Shiva. It's totally unbelievable image. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Clear appearance of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.